Show that picture. चलिए class
Yes, yes.
class
Yes, yes.
am I audible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
What is my planning about SLC? I'm still audible.
Yes, ma'am.
What is my planning regarding SLC? You almost. I'm not talking about each and everyone. Those who don't have, they can take their mobiles and tell your parents to show the picture. Right? For example, everyone has the smartphone at their home. Ask your parents. Ask your parents. Parents, please give us any scene like this. Any scene like this. Any scene like this. ठीक है. What we can do is we can picture comprehend. Picture comprehend. Comprehend मतलब उसके बारे में बताना. Picture comprehension मतलब ऑलरेडी रिटर्न वर्जन होता है जिससे हम आंसर्स ढूंढते हैं. पिक्चर कॉम्प्रीहेंशन मतलब वी हैव एनी इंफॉर्मेशन लाइक इस सीन के बारे में पूरा एक स्टोरी जैसा या कुछ भी नरेशन जैसा दिया हो और उससे रिगार्डिंग क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं एंड वी आर आंसरिंग दैट. जैसा आपका सीन अनसीन पैसेज आता है. राइट. what I want you to do is you have to explain this picture in front of your parents. Is this difficult? For example, I'll give you some ideas. Day before yesterday, I have explained you I can teach all the grammar concepts, all the phonics concepts, all the RC concepts, all the creative writing concepts, and even all the vocabulary words concept with this. Yesterday I have given demo on this. Day before yesterday I had given demo on this. Yes or no? Yes, ma'am. Was it understood by you? Can you please show me the thumbs up for understanding? I think that was clear. Right? Okay. I'll explain you later. You were there? You were absent on that day. I think you were absent on that day. You were there? Okay. I'll come back to the topic again. What I want you to do is just to make yourself confident. If you are confident enough that you can narrate this type of scene to your parents in English. You can tell your parents, please take out any picture comprehension, any picture for us. अगर आप गूगल में सर्च करेंगे पिक्चर कॉम्प्रीहेंशन तो भी पिक्चर मिल जाएगा. अगर आप गूगल में सर्च करेंगे मार्केट सीन, फेयर, जैसे मेला होता है, राइट. देन अगर आप स्कूल सीनरी, राइट, आप कोई भी गूगल में कोई भी पिक्चर डालेंगे आपके पेरेंट्स तो आपको कोई भी एक ऐसा सीन मिल जाएगा. राइट. सीन दिख रहा है. What you have to do is what I want everyone to do is you need to explain this in your own words. This will be done with the 3 main important concept for my side. मैं 3 चीज़ें इससे प्रूव करना चाहती हूँ. First, you have the talent of identifying and narrating any scene. I have that much confidence in you. दूसरा, ग्रामेटिकल एरर हो सकते हैं. ग्रामेटिकल एरर से मेरा मतलब है शायद हम टेंसेस गड़बड़ कर सकते हैं, हम बहुत सारी मिस्टेक्स भी कर सकते हैं, सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर में गड़बड़ कर सकते हैं, टेंसेस गड़बड़ कर सकते हैं, शायद वर्ड गलत यूज़ कर सकते हैं. बट इट इज़ ओके. It is always okay if we are trying. Yes or no? Yes, trying can be done only when you intended to do it. जब आप सोचोगे कि मुझे करना है तो गड़बड़ होगी तो गड़बड़ सुधरने के चांसेस हैं. If there are something to be rectified. What to be rectified? If you are not doing, I want to do something. चलो मैं मेरे ही वेट लॉस की बात कर लूँ, मुझे वेट लॉस करना है, बट अगर मैं कुछ कर ही नहीं रही हूँ तो मेरा वेट लॉस नहीं होने वाला है. For that I need to take some steps for everyone. Those who want to speak in English, those who want to speak fluently in English, they have to start from this somewhere. आज आप लोग डेली वीडियोस बनाकर भेज रहे हो. You all are doing better, right? I have already told you that keep your first video always with you. Keep your first video always with you. Have you kept that yet? Have you kept that yet? आज भी आपके पास वो वीडियो होगा. Yes or no? उस वीडियो को चेक करो और आपके कॉन्फिडेंस को चेक करो. Though there are still mistakes, many a time there are some pronunciation mistakes are there, but your confidence level has increased. That is what you are doing when you are reading something. Now I am taking you one step ahead. That is what my topic for SLC. Done. Stop.